So today I'm going to be testing putting on these elf ears that I got from Aradani costumes. These are the wild elf ears, which are obviously designed to look like Hylian ears from Breath of the Wild. I'm wearing my Zelda wig because obviously this is something I'm going to have to do after I have the wig on, because it would be a huge hassle to try and maneuver getting a wig cap and a wig on over top of these ears. So yeah, I just have that for testing purposes, and hopefully this won't look too weird. I decided to go with this size besides the fact that it's obviously designed to work for Zelda in this particular iteration from Breath of the Wild, but more so just because I don't really like small prosthetics. I'd rather have one that is pretty noticeable, and I really like Holly Wolf's Zelda because I think she used the large anime elf ears that Aradani has, but they're really, really long and pointy, and I just think that looks more pretty, so I got this kind, which will give a pretty big change to my natural ear shape. When I first got these, I was really confused about how to put them on, but there's actually a pretty handy diagram on their website. So I have my spirit gum here, and you basically put it along the front tab as well as this area that will wrap around the back of your ear. And I've been fitting it onto my ear, and I'm seeing now how much the curvature does match up with my natural ear shape. So I'm probably going to put it besides just this curve, but also this flap right over here, because I feel if that comes up, it will definitely sort of really ruin the illusion, and I'm not planning on doing liquid latex with this, so hopefully just with the spirit gum here it should look okay. Okay, so I'm painting on the layer of the spirit gum now, and I have to wait 30-ish seconds for it to get tacky. Also look, my the little brush that is attached to the lid of the spirit gum came off because there was I guess a layer of hardened spirit gum right on the top of the opening. I'm still trying to figure out the best way to hide my natural hair color, especially since this wig is kind of thin. Obviously once I take it out of the ponytail it'll fall down a lot more, but I just wanted to get it out of the way when I was putting the actual ear on. Okay, it's definitely tacky now. So it looks like you're supposed to slide the back of the ear on first, and then tack it down in the front. So hopefully I won't get this into my hair. Is this getting on at all? Hold up, it definitely didn't attached into my ear. All of a sudden it doesn't want to slide onto my ear. Press that guy down. It says to hold for 1 minute. Oh my god. Can I get this on? It definitely is cupping the back of my ear now though, which is good because it wasn't before. Okay, it's been about a minute, so I've let go, and I think it looks pretty decent. Oh my god, look at the difference of my non-existent elf ear and then my elf ear. As opposed to those elf ears, those cheap Halloween store ones that fully cup over the ear and are really hard to hear through. This one, I can hear perfectly fine, but it also is the rubbing of the fake ear onto my inner ear, I guess, is really, really noticeable. So I can hear, I don't know, a little bit of the scratching as I move around. But otherwise, it's not too bad. I don't think it, especially once as soon as my hair is here, it you can't tell, really. I don't think at all. If I, especially from that angle, this pretty much hides all of this right here. And I could even hairpin it in place right that way to kind of hide it, or even if it hangs loose. Okay, let me try and do the other one and see if it will actually be even. I don't think it will be that much of a problem because my ears aren't naturally at different angles, so I don't think that if it's following the natural shape of my ear, I don't see how it could have that much of a problem. The most difficult part starting out is fitting it over the back of your ear, I find, especially with a wig, because the hair is so thick that it's really there's a lot of weight right back here. But after I've got it on, I can kind of pinch it down in this sort of folded area, and you can kind of see that hollowed area matches pretty well with my natural ear. and then you just press down on the top and on the back. Yeah, they totally are like the same level. That wasn't difficult at all making them match up. So I don't think it's noticeable that much at all, and it's actually, the ears being so big is actually doing a great job in keeping my hair like out of my face, besides like these front pieces, but like most of the back is like kind of contained by these. Pretty much I constantly hear like the rustling though of like the ears touching the hair, touching my actual ears, but it's not like unpleasant, it's more just like a sensation I'm not used to. But I think these are really, really cute. I like this look, honestly. Let me see if I can try and pull some of my hair forward. I can't really describe like the sensation of like the hair touching. It's like extreme ASMR, like super like intensely close brushing. But I got more hair on the front on this side, and it seems to be okay. You just can't, obviously you can't really like lay a lot of hair on the actual ear or else it'll start to fall down because it's like pretty flimsy. But even with larger amount or like a smaller amount, I think it hides this front piece. You definitely need to have something there to like hide this like tab, because it'd be a pain in the ass to like have to blend that out with like liquid latex. But I don't honestly find the back, I guess it's just because I don't know, my ear shape I guess matches better than other people's can, like, it seems on the website they say you can use liquid latex blended in or do like an ear cuff, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe just the combination of, since this is like a pre-painted ear and my natural skin color, like it just, in my own opinion, I feel like at a distance, unless you're really, really looking for it, you couldn't see this seam that much at all. And I actually brought, let me see if this will help at all. I brought like a reddish blush because I wanted to see if I could like blend the ear with my actual ear any better. Let me see. I don't know, I don't feel like you even need a blush to like blend it together. I think it was fine beforehand. Now I just made my ear look a little bit redder. So thank you guys for watching this like really weird quick video. I wanted to do like some type of test both with Zelda's makeup and with the ears at least once before Katsucon, and I think this looks really, really cute. I actually really like these. I'd like to do more with elf characters now because I really like how these look. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!